Okay, so it can kill snoring can kill your sleep. It can kill your marriage. I'm hearing now that in the U.S., something that's becoming very popular is two master bedrooms
Yeah.
because of all the people who snore and it's ruining their marriage. And so instead of going to divorce court, they're saying, wait a minute, maybe we can sleep in separate rooms. Temporary solution. But that's how common this is.
Yes, but first of all, the marriage business, for sure, there's a higher divorce rate. It's guaranteed. Statistics say much higher divorce rate with people who snore. I've got all kinds of patients that tell me, my wife left me and I think snoring was an issue. And I said, well, let's get you fixed for your next girlfriend or your next wife. And they say, yeah, let's do it.